Hey everyone, welcome back to Ajayasthromoney Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, on the 17th of April 2024, we are diving into the coriander market, particularly focusing on Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Let's see how the recent trends are shaping up the prices. First up, let's talk about Gujarat. The coriander selling scene in Gujarat has seen a decline recently, which interestingly hasn't caused a fluctuation in prices. In fact, prices are holding steady in the state's markets. In Gondal Mandi, one of Gujarat's prominent markets, there's been a noticeable reduction in new arrivals. However, despite this decrease, the overall coriander arrival across all mandis in the state stands at about 15,000 bags today. Traders are indicating that we might be nearing the end of the peak season for coriander in Gujarat. This could explain the gradual decrease in arrivals we are witnessing. Moreover, export activity for coriander hasn't been particularly vibrant, and stockists seem to be holding back for now. Now, let's delve into the numbers. Today, around 15,000 bags of coriander made their way into the state. Prior to this, the average price of coriander remained stable, ranging between 1,360 rupees to 1,560 rupees per 20 kg. In Gondal Mandi, where 30,000 bags were pending previously, 13,000 bags were traded today at prices ranging from 1,441 rupees to 1,851 rupees. Meanwhile, in Rajkot Mandi, 3,000 bags arrived with prices ranging from 1,200 rupees to 1,700 rupees. Apart from these, we saw arrivals in various other mandis across Gujarat. For instance, Halwad witnessed 1,500 sacks, Jodhpur had 900 sacks, Jamjodhpur had 1,400 sacks, and the list goes on. Shifting our focus to Madhya Pradesh, specifically Guna Mandi, we observe a similar trend. Despite a decline in arrivals, coriander prices remained stable. For example, prices for Badami were recorded at 6,500 rupees to 6,800, Scooter at 7,500 rupees to 8,000, and Eagle at 7,000 rupees to 7,200, with an arrival of 10,000 bags. In Kumbhraj Mandi, while arrivals decreased, prices stayed put from yesterday. Badami was priced at 6,500 to 6,800, Eagle at 6,800 to 7,000, and Scooter at 7,500 to 7,800, with an arrival of 20,000 bags. For advance reports, contact us for our paid services. Our contact details are given in the description as well as in description. So, to wrap it up, today's decline in arrivals contrasts with the increase observed yesterday, largely due to pending goods in the market. However, with fresh arrivals today, the overall trend seems to be pointing towards a decrease in arrivals. Stay tuned as we continue to keep you updated on the dynamic world of commodities. Until next time, this is Ajayasthromoney Guru signing off.